Hi everyone, it's me, Hyena, and once again, welcome to my cozy forest today. Okay, so what I'm going to announce right here is the upcoming update, which I have already witnessed changes in the systems and new things. But right here is the video that I haven't updated the game yet. So let me give you a quick preview of the forest after the update, okay? So far, only one update has occurred on the beta test server. It has changed quite a lot. They could also change the dragon's design, which I probably cannot predict, so let's take a look at some of the dragons here. I heard that it could change some tiny details that we could not know. Oh, hold on, I think I cannot spoil every dragon like this. But I have already posted many videos about this. I don't know either. Oh, it's event time. I want to take this moment to tell you that I might not upload this event preview because the dragons are actually the wrong ones. But not that deep, like I have already completed the event set in the beta stage, so I cannot get the dragons twice. Oh, back to the main topic. Here let's look closer at the design of the board. I've actually watched the updated server sooner, so here are some differences that I noticed. First is this flower dragon, which is also called the most dramatic dragon because of its design. Honestly, I'm not really exaggerating about how bad this dragon's design is. But it's not my cup of tea, so I put him in the fridge immediately. Next is the profile avatar of this event dragon. I have already posted a video about unlocking him. Let's hatch this egg here. Wanna note that this tiny sound egg I have hatched like 50 times. Watch my friend list, 93 friends already. I know it's wrong, but I think I'll remove some. This achievement is so hard to complete. I only reached the second dragon, which is at level 15 out of 40 level. The calendar board. The dark green one is the day I missed. Well, there is an error in the decoration here. This mushroom I have already had it. Oh, I hope that we can expand our forest more. Okay, now let's check our main menu. Everything's perfect. I don't think they could change anything here. I think that's it. It's time to download the update, guys. Yo, come back after updating. Okay, so before I show you the whole new change, I want to read their update description first. There we go. So in this update we have all new late game core set of dragons with 5 new dragons. And 2 new event sets, one with ocean and one with urban neighborhood style. Oh, and various bug fixes and improvements. That's great! Now let's head back to our forest and see what's really changed. Oh, look! It's her, the flower dragon which I have shown you before. She has changed from the yellow head into her original color and golden thorns. Yay, she's no longer disappeared into the forest. But anyway, I'll still keep her in the fridge, hee hee. Look like there is no significant change here. Oh yes, look closer at his profile avatar. People said he looks less derpy. Oh, they have added to the notifications button here? Let me see. Oh, when we turn on the notification button here, we can be notified of the process in the game. Now is the calendar board. I have seen some changes here. So basically, they have added more color to the events days and discount days. All the events days are colored in red and discount ones in green. Oh, and they also add some icons here. Okay, next is the dragon set here, which I'm really excited for the most. Yes, new base dragon set. It's named Mighty? It says so far that these 5 new dragons are based on powerful, big, or magical creatures. Oh, right. There are added decorations matched to upcoming events. Here, urban critter carving, potted bamboo, and magic conch.